Hello, my name is Adam Pratt, and I am Vice President of Sherex Fastening Solutions. And I want to welcome you today as we proudly introduce the newest member of the Riv-Float family of fasteners, Riv-Float Short. 3 years ago, Sherex was proud to release the original Riv-Float, which offered a two-piece fastener, a rivet nut shell, with a floating nut attachment within the shell, to offer a blind fastener for installing into thin materials with the advantage of a floating thread for tolerance compensation and tolerance stack-up. However, some applications required a shorter backside profile, especially when using cage nuts and riveted nut plates. Consequently, we developed the Riv-Float Short as a potential fastener for these types of applications. The Riv-Float Short, however, is superior to other fastening methods in that it can be installed from the front of the workpiece. Other fasteners require access to the backside and the front side of the workpiece, which can be difficult in some applications. Cage nuts is one common fastener used when requiring a floating thread, requires a square hole to be punched in the base material. In addition, you must have access to the backside of the workpiece, and can often be a very difficult and slow installation when trying to use a screwdriver to install. Riveted nut plates also require access to the backside of the workpiece, and also require two rivets installed from the front of the workpiece to attach it to the base material, a very slow and cumbersome process. The Riv-Float Short can be installed from the front side of the workpiece, and with our rivet nut installation tool, installed in less than 5 seconds. Let's do an installation. We will be using the Sherex Flex 5P pull-to-pressure rivet nut installation tool to install the Riv-Float Short. Take your fastener, thread it a quarter turn on the front of the tool, then with a little pressure, the fastener will spin to the anvil of the Flex 5P. Place in your material, pull the single stage trigger, and the tool will automatically install the Riv-Float Short into the workpiece. Very simple, very fast. Riv-Float Short can also be provided with a prevailing torque feature that is acceptable for high vibration applications, especially in aerospace. Thanks for joining us today as we highlight and release our brand new patented Riv-Float Short fastener. Call Sherex or go to our website, www.sherex.com, for more information. Thanks.